Now, driving in hot weather conditions can increase fatigue and increase the likelihood of a road accident. So stay hydrated by taking regular breaks for water. Keep a cooler bag with enough bottled water to last the entire journey to help replenish the loss of liquid and salts you lose in sweat. Now, research shows a correlation between heat and road rage. So if you're getting frustrated, well, take an additional break. Now, during the summer, allergies and hay fever can influence the quality of your driving, so keep the windows rolled down to prevent the pollen and dust from entering. Consult your pharmacist to ensure that your medication doesn't actually cause drowsiness. Now, sun glare, well, that can restrict your view of the road ahead, and the sun visor above the windscreen can help reduce the impact of glare in your eyes. Specialist sunglasses may also help, but ensure it complies with the legal tint limit. So for more driving lesson tips, download my training guide from the link on screen and the one below. Good luck and thank you.